interning in a fitness center or a sport performance flexibility. I want to improve my physical skill to athlete assessment and designing trainer programs. And in the next year, in the next 5 years, I am to become a professional trainer or a sport scientist. I hope to work and athlete our sport teams using scientific principle to help them improve their performance and reduce injury infections. I believe I am developing some characteristics of a sports scientist. I am curious, analytical, and always willing to learn more about exercise science. However, I still need to improve my knowledge in such as biomechanics and sport nutrition. I am confident that will continue learning and practical experience. I can go into a skill sport science professional. Thank you. See you.